Who's that, Dad?
Well, happy birthday, son. I got you a zombie.
Hurry.
What would I do with him?
Well, you could play hide and seek or catch.
Won't he eat us, Dad?
No worries, I chain him up good.
He seems rather hungry.
Well, let's just give him some food and...
Maybe we can give him my cereal.
Good idea, son. Now, where do we keep the cereal again?
Not in the cupboard.
Ah, yes, in the fridge.
Not in the fridge, Dad.
Cereal.
Ah, yes, of course. We keep the cereal under the oven fan.
Hurry, Dad. He's getting cranky.
Ah, delicious warm cereal.
Good idea to keep the cereal in a 12-pack of Coke, Dad.
I know, right?
Give me more cereal.
Yeah, here, son. Give him this.
Why do I have to do it?
'Cause it's your zombie. No nut?
More.
Here, zombie. I got some cereal for you.
Give me more cereal.